Hi guys, Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So I think you know, abuse me, that's why I think I haven't done a sit-down video in a while, but I like it. And no man, we do one outside the other day. I did one outside, but anyways, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it useful. I have here today my beautiful sister, Auntie Sister Sharette, and today, as you can see in the topic, in the title, we're going to be talking about Jamaica's brain drain, or just in general, why are people leaving Jamaica. So as you know, I live in Switzerland and Auntie Sharette lives in Jamaica, and for the longest while I've had the urge to go back home, and everybody wants to leave Jamaica. So we are going to have a discussion between ourselves and with you, because we want to hear from you in the comment section. Why do you think people are leaving Jamaica? I would love to hear from her why. Because most people are talking about money, right? And I know money is sticky in Jamaica. It's hard to get your hands on. But really, why do you think people are wanting to leave the country?
Because of money. Because of money. Everybody, it's hard. It's very hard in Jamaica. It's hard to just buy food and a whole, you know. It's hard to survive. It's hard to send your kids to school. Every day you get up, it's the same thing over and over again. You go back to the same old things, and you know, it's just a hard place to live. It's a nice and beautiful place. We love it. We all love it. That's why we really don't want to leave. But if we are gonna stay there, we have to get better. The economy has to get better. You know? Yeah,
so when we leave Jamaica, when I left Jamaica in when did we leave? 2013. Things did rough, and I'm not sure how it is exactly now, because when I go back it's mostly for holiday, and we go back with, you go back with money from here. It's like you go for 2 weeks or a month. It's affordable. You can afford it. But I think it's not only money. To be honest, I think it's not only money. Some concerns I have is the crime rate. The crime rate is very high. When I was in Jamaica, the crime rate was not so high. The death rate was still high, but the crime rate wasn't so high. And now everybody has a gun. Everybody has access to a gun. If them not have the gun, them have access to a gun.
And the extortion. If you think you're gonna start a little business and everything is gonna be alright, think twice. Because if you even have a little money to put into the business and say, let me start something, and you know, everything is not gonna be fine, because they're gonna try to extort you and all of these things. And if you have a little money, you do a thing. You can't pay extortion out of a little money where you're not maybe not even make it. Yeah. You understand? And that's so a lot of things is
I think also it's the salary levels.
Lord God, not even salary.
I mean, you go to university, you pay so much money to study. Apart from that, just even if university was free, the cost of living in Jamaica is on par to cost of living in Switzerland. That's the honest truth. If you want to live comfortably and not just survive, the cost of living in Jamaica is on par with Switzerland or close to
US
or America. And we not get nothing close to the salary.
One time people make one little money a week time, that are just their fear and lunch money at the time to go back a work.
Is that the whole country in a survival mode?
Yeah, survival.
The whole country in a survival
mode. That's why I give credence to it, criminal them or nothing. But I think so that's why some of them have to do them something because them not have nothing.
That me disagree with Sister Sharette. That's your opinion, but me have to disagree with that. Me nobody, because of nothing them not fit, them can't satisfy. There are teachers getting little and not money, and them not turn to gangsterism, or me know some of them are thief too, but them not turn to certain things just because they're getting small money. They might live with it. The problem is,
you know me thing too. Them are watching bigger heads them. People who do robbery, them something like them are watching bigger heads because it water streams are dirty. Everybody are get messy. Everybody because them are say government a thief. And the police say government a thief. And the police ever watch this one and that one they watch that one day and that one day. Everybody are criminal. Just like when you go to church and the pastor fall, everybody start fall too. Because they must say, if pastor can't fall, what they gonna say me?
It's a sad situation. You know why? Because I would just want to go home and, you know, get one little home, stay in a little place, maybe start one little business. Because let me tell you, don't go come. Jamaica has money. There is money to be made in Jamaica. If you want to reach a Jamaica, you know, if you do business properly, you can do it.
True.
You know, because Jamaicans survive from remittance, survive from tourism, and Jamaican people have money. But it's the, as Sherrod said before, it's the fear of starting anything and then you are going to get extorted. It's crazy. Another thing I didn't want to say is
also Jamaica, we don't really support each other. A little Jamaican girl or a little Jamaican youth start a little business. Everybody run Ghana Chinese same way. Everybody run Ghana white man shoppers and them they'll help each other to say, make me build up that one here. Even though sometimes you build them up and they same and start going somewhere with it, you know. But still, you know, we have to help each other because this is how the Chinese people them survive. They help each other. They live in a some little boat and live on the ground, survive and sleep on them till they can better themselves and they help them one have to build up.
So back to why we have this huge brain drain. So I was watching somebody's live yesterday. Vanessa, what her name? I'm gonna put it down in the description. And she was talking about the job fair that was in Ocherius the other day, and she showed some clippings. I don't know if I can find the clippings. If I can, I'll insert them here. And it's a job fair to go abroad. So once you bring in your application, the place name skill something. And once you bring in your application and your resume and so, then find your jobs in America, and you can go where people. Suppose you see people down at the place. Me say, it come like me never see something like that before. Suppose you see people. There was no order. There was no. Me hear say people get stabbed. Me hear say people get trampled on. The chaos, and that just shows how much people want to leave Jamaica. And I don't think people necessarily want to leave Jamaica itself. People just want opportunities.
And they can't make no money when they are work. Because you work like a slave and you not make back nothing with that.
You work 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, even Sunday sometimes. And you not make nothing. I think if you start one little business in Jamaica, you would be able, but if you have to go work with the government.
Because if you even have ambition to start one business, the bank is not lending you money. They must say if you have collaterals. Where you get collaterals if you start a business? Sometimes you just have to come out of school and you say you want something to do. And you have to start something. Then why if you have house, land, car and bus.
And you just have to start. This is the perfect storm. Yeah, we just have free thought now, and you can realize how much trouble there is in Jamaica. And this is the perfect storm. We have so many factors contributing to the migration of the people. And the brain drain, we are having some of our best educated people leaving the country and wanting to leave the country. And let me tell you something, this me did want to say. Let me tell you something. We don't really want to leave Jamaica because when we leave Jamaica, we are not treated the same way. We are not treated equally. When you're in a foreign country, sorry, my nephew is talking also, is a part of the discussion. When you're in a foreign country, you don't get the same level of treatment. Why you think me want to go home? Why you think me that want to go back home? Right now, I feel look for alternative because if everybody around left the country, we may around go there far. I mean, eventually, it's going to happen, and I'm not going to let other people decide for me. But I think I'm in my mid-30s. I still have a good time when I can work and stuff. And I'm looking for alternatives. But I'm in a country where the foreign language is a barrier for me. And even though I speak a little bit German, I don't speak enough German to get certain types of jobs. I'm only pushed towards certain types of jobs. If you're into IT, you can get jobs here because the IT is English speaking mostly. But if you're into like very specialized areas like my area of study, anything into agriculture, food and stuff, you have to speak very high German. And I just cannot. You know, so it rough. People are run go Canada, people are run go America, people are run go England, people are go everywhere, and we can't blame them. Honest to God, we can't blame people for running.
You know why the next problem too? You go work and you come back, say I go make a little life in Jamaica, and yet see somebody come rob you and kill you and all of this sitting there.
That's the
and then you know how hard you go work and she clean how much toilet that's a word word, but they don't know what you go do. You understand? And they don't know what kind of struggles you go through. But yet still, let's say you come home and I say I make one little life and you say, are you here? They coming up. You come here if you can try better yourself and yet still then come rob, rape, kill. Then that you say then rob you and go but then business then come kill.
Hey, me watch one something. Me always watch Sir P Politics Watch. That's my jam every day. Me listen to it because it opened my eyes to a lot of things. And was it yesterday's show or the day before yesterday's show? They were talking about how 2 men in them 50s got killed because a man come and say him want money and the man say me no give lazy man me money and them just kill the 2 big man them a carpenter. Somebody pay them to make musty kitchen or something and them a go deliver the kitchen and then come to extort them and then just kill them and I'm like, oh my God, how can we these people have no mercy. Them not have no mercy for we. How we are gonna manage?
Maybe about Jamaica, but we just think Jamaica is just a doomsday. Me tell you the truth. Me live there, but me just feel tired and doom. Me feel like doom and gloom. Me just me don't know if prayer can help. Me don't know what can help. But me,
and it comes like it get worse and worse and worse.
Problem. We have a lot of mental problem in Jamaica. Everybody have mental problem. Me I tell you. Sometimes it's just overwhelming. Me don't listen to the news. Me don't do none of them listen to me. Cause me can't bother. I say it get worse and worse, you know. Me don't listen to the news and me no watch things on Facebook anymore and them something because they don't go stress you out every day. See that if I have an accident, and somebody rob somebody. If I don't rob them, then kidnap somebody. Kidnap them, then kill somebody. We can't bother. It's just a lot. It's just a lot.
Yeah. And when you go on holiday for 2 weeks or even a month, you don't get the same feeling. That's the truth. You don't get the same feeling. So it's really something to think about. Most Jamaicans who live abroad or have been living abroad for a while, them we don't want to go back home, you know, because me I tell you the honest truth, me don't want to go back home. But how things are looking now, you know, look like some go. I can be in Switzerland, but me know me can't like
feel comfortable for living.
No, I cannot have the level of success that I would like to have for myself. I feel like my potential is dimmed, or you know, I cannot achieve my full potential while being here. That's the truth, and it's because I'm illiterate here. I'm not literate in this country,
because
so
I can't speak
because of the language, right?
Properly.
And people might say, why you not just learn the language? It's more than that. It's more than just learning the language. Language is one. It's also how you carry yourself. How you. I mean, I go back and get into the foreign part and whatever. As being a foreigner or Auslander, it's a completely different story within itself. But there are certain levels of success that I don't feel like I can reach being here. So yeah, I don't know where I'll end up, and
So me I get free understand say people are migrate to Canada from all over the world because them here say Canada want workers and so. Me hear people are complaining to say Canadian people them all have problem because them not really like Europe people that are coming in a country and then all for different nation all type of something. So them have problem with people from different countries, and then we are trying forced to go in there, and then you never come completely comfortable. We just need things that Jamaica can be better. So we can get a better Jamaica. We think so we can. Me always patriotic, me always try to love my country. I love where I come from because you don't feel good in our next man country. Then you can always come out one day, one idea.
And to be honest, when you live in one other person country, you live in a foreign country, you never feel at home. Me can't from what I can feel up with their people country. I mean, I feel at home. So it would be so nice if we could go home and return. You can't leave. I would wish every Jamaican to leave and go experience outside, whether visit and work or whatever. But say your country, your home, and you can go back and you can function. Like. But when the situation is like this, and not just brain drain alone, we're gonna have a culture shift, because who are gonna live in the country? Who are gonna live in the country? Honestly,
everything go.
Yeah,
and then when people
country. Yeah, and when people come here, like other countries, even if you eventually go back, go back to being a different person. We're gonna have a huge shift in Jamaica. What me also realize is all of this politician them and the uptown people them, then they on social media, and to me, like them living in a different Jamaica.
You like them living
in a different Jamaica because them and live some breeder houses when me see, some breeder lifestyle when me see, some breeder me I say a Jamaica then there. And if you really want to live like that, you have to rake in some good money. And the government offer the professionals, certain professionals. I think certain professionals them get good money, but certain like teachers and nurses, they should be priority. Them should not get
good pay.
You should not hold on to these people because
when I work with the government,
civil servants, them supposed to get good money because them are keep up the country. But I don't know.
Nurses, teachers,
it's frustrating.
People who do garbage collection, all of them supposed to get good pay. You know why? Them have to struggle so to feed their own their family. And
them now have somebody a find with give them little money. Yesterday when I watched live and the girl talked about the H2B visa, and she talked about how much money she make in a 4 months from ranging from 12,000 to 20,000 US dollar for 4 months.
And she go work and do like hustling.
She work in a waitress job and stuff. Let's say if the cost of living in Jamaica is low, we could understand the low pay. But the cost of living is high.
One pack of crackers have how much money?
No,
one tin of mackerel have how much money? 1 pound of flour have how much money? You can't survive. It's just hard. That is why I want to run away. We don't go to a different country and go back home. Because how me feel
frustration.
Yeah. When you work out your life and not get nothing. People say you just make money, but when you work on $7,000, that is for the day, and you have to pay rent at the end of the month, at the end of the week, and you have to pay a light bill, and you have to decide. You understand me? I say, I hear me do. I'm a year just so I do other little hustling on the side. But me, you know, I make nothing. Because everything expensive. If you go to market, you want $8,000 or $7,000. You know where you can home. You understand all them people who are working in China them place. They're not getting nothing at the end of the month or the end of the week or whenever they get paid. When they get to a little money, they cancel them put in a school $1,000 a day. Or miss about $1,500 a day now for lunch money. I don't even know where to go again. But about that for lunch money now for one child, how are you going to survive? We do an economy like Jamaica economy. You understand?
Well,
how we are going to survive?
It's bad.
Something have to be done.
I was telling Church the other day, say, me feel like living very simple, like just build one house, one board house or something in somewhere Portland, and then grow me vegetables and my little things and
Oh, how good way that
do some Airbnb, because people still are come to Jamaica, tourists, them still are come. Do some little Airbnb and try use the money there wisely, save something out of it.
Yeah, you can go and go it if you have money. But what about the people that when not all to go look pan?
No man, me know me not no money right now. Me understand what you mean. But only for Jamaicans have land, you know, it's the knowledge they just don't know. They just don't know.
And they like, no money to start.
We also think that one kind of tourist they boat. So on tourists on go on beach and sand. But their tourists appreciate the outdoor, like the European tourists, them actually like bush.
They love
because there is the Mediterranean Sea here, the Atlantic Sea here. Them can easily well fly 2, 3, 5 hours and then reach a beach. Them I go fly to Jamaica for 10 hours and not necessarily beach them want. Them want the culture, them want the landscape, the nature. So if you live in if you live in a country area, you can easily well
make a living.
Yes. If anybody find a video, because you never know which video might go viral. If you hear this video and listen to a discussion and you have piece of land or Portland where you want to sell, or you want to give it, we would be happy. We patronize us, please. Yeah. We would be happy to take that. Alright, so we want to hear what you have to say.
Yes.
So comment in the comment section. Why you think so many people leave Jamaica? Why you think Jamaicans are runaway? And why you think Jamaicans stay? You know? And why you think people who live abroad to come back home?
Because I can't come back, I can't, Tanya. But me want to go.
And also, guys, if you want us to sit like this and have another discussion, give us another topic. Yeah, make we know. Tell us something that one we talk about, and we would be happy to just free flow. I know a lot of people won't understand this video because it's in patois, but yeah. If you have no question, just
and we can write it.
We're going to translate it. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. We will see you next time.
Bye.
And then they can pay somebody to do. Alright, the baby decided to make music.